I'm getting ready to glue up a very small piece. It's a kitchen towel rack for drying. It isn't going to hold, it'll hold 1 or 2 towels. It's very small. The parts are here, all in mahogany. There are the 2 posts that have mortises, a little bit of shaping up at the top end. And then there are the bars that go across on which the towels will rest, and some small feet that have a mortise connection there. So I think I'm ready to glue this up, and I'm going to use hot hide glue, which I prefer. It's easier to clean up, it's easier to fix if something happens. So there are advantages to using that glue. I'll be a little messy with it because I don't care too much about how messy I am. It's so easy to just clean up whatever you need to. So I'm going to start. Also, these bars will be poked through the mortise, and then I'm planning to use these little ebony wedges to wedge those mortises in. So I think I'm ready. I need a little hammer, this hammer. And okay, I think we're ready to go. Things are a little cool today here in the shop, so I've got to work fast with the hide glue. And I'll paint the mortise as well. Okay, here's one. Now let me get another. Okay, there are the 2. Now, can I just go ahead and pin these in? Just going to put some glue over that through tenon, and then I'm not going to go very hard with that. Oh yeah. Okay, let me get this end up here. Solid. That's good enough. All right, so let's go ahead and paint these. And this is the inside. Got triangle markings on these parts to get them together the way I want them. There we are. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And the last wedge. Seems to hit solid, and that looks good. So I think I'm ready to go into the feet. All right, looks like it's all done, and I will, in a few minutes, I'll just take a chisel like this or something and remove some of most of this glue. But even if after it dries, it's pretty easy to remove. And I'll just take these big clumps off of here.